Alright, g'day everyone, it's the Chief again. This is what we're going to be making today, the Great Australian Burger. So if you've got some room in your bellies, stay tuned and let's get into making these hamburgers. Alright everyone, so let's get started with these burgers. Alright, so we've got some beetroot, we've got some lettuce, we've got some fresh sliced up cheese, eggs, we've got our bread rolls ready to go, we've got some Australian Farmers tomato sauce, salt and pepper, and these are the stuff that I'm going to need to make the burger patties. Okay, now with the burger patties, pure Australian fresh ground beef mince. I've got just a little bit of breadcrumbs just to bind that all together. I've got some Stubbs liquid smoke. I'll just pop a little bit of that in there. That just gives it that smoky barbecue taste. And my favourite, I've got some sweet chilli sauce. So we'll just pop a little bit of that in there, and that's it. That's all we need. And I'll put a little bit of salt and pepper in that. Alright, there goes our hamburger patties, ready to rock and roll. Alright, we've got our pans on the stove, so we're ready to go. We'll get this lovely burger going here. Alright, now, whilst that is going, just a little bit of olive oil in the pan here. And we're going to cook our egg. All right. So that's sizzling right nice. We'll give that another minute. In the meantime, just a little bit of salt on that egg. A little bit of pepper. Now some people like their eggs soft, some people like them fully cooked. You know, everyone's got their own little ways. Up to you. All right. Now, just give that burger a quick turn around. And we're nearly just about done. All right, our burger's just about ready. I've just got our buns, just toasting our buns a bit in the fry pan with that egg. All right, so we're ready to go, guys. First things first, let's get our burger on there with the melted cheese. That's first cab off the rank. Next, we will need a little bit of lettuce. Some lovely beetroot, pop that on. Now, we've got our egg. that up a little bit. Done. Topped off with a little bit of the old tomato sauce. The top of the bun that we've been baking is there. And that's it, guys. That is your beautiful Australian hamburger. You can't beat that. There's only one thing left to do now with this is to get into it and let's eat.